Good morning, students. This is textbook page number 153, mixed bag. Okay, mixed bag problems. First, choose the correct answers. Which of these is not a property of multiples? Which of these is not a property of multiples? Okay, not a property. You can not find the largest multiple of a number. Yes, we cannot find largest multiple of a number. The multiple of a number cannot be smaller than the number. Yes, the multiple of number, it will be greater than or equal to the number, but it will not be smaller than the number. So it is also true. 1 is a multiple of every number. No, 1 is not the multiple of every number. So answer is 3. Every number is a multiple of itself. Yes. For example, 3 will take means 3 table. 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 threes are 3 fours are like that. In that table you will not get 1. Okay, and you will, every number is a multiple of itself. You will get the same number first only. Okay, so third one is the answer. Now look at B question. Which of these is not a property of factors? Which of these is not a property of factors? Okay, you cannot find the largest factor of a number. No, we can find the largest factor of a number. So this is only the answer. We will read remaining also. A factor of a number cannot be bigger than the number. Yes, for example, we'll take 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 1 12 is 12, 2 6 is 12, 3 4 is 12. So here a factor of a number cannot be bigger than the number. A factor of a number cannot be bigger. It will be cannot not be bigger than the number. Okay, it will be smaller and equal to the number. 1 is a factor of every number. We will get 1 in every factors of every number. We will get 1. Every number is a factor of itself. We will get the same number also. Okay, which of these cannot be counted? Number of factors of a number. We can count 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 factors are there for 12, but we cannot count multiples. Okay, number of multiples of a number cannot be counted. Okay, now look at D question. Which of following is divisible by 3 but not by 9? As divisibility, what is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits. We have to add these digits. If the number is divided by 3 means that the whole number is divided by 3, divisible by 3. Okay, 9 also same. We have to add these digits. If the number is divided by 9 means the whole number is divided by 9. Look here, 8 plus 1 is 9. In 3 table we will get 9 and 9 table also will get 9. Okay, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 in 3 table will get, and 9 table will get. Okay, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. In 3 table will get 15 but not in 9 table. So third one is the answer. 3 8 7. 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18. In 3 table we will get 18, 3 6 is 18, and 9 table also will get 18, 9 2 is 18. So here this will not get in 9 table. So this is the answer. Okay. Now look at second bit. Find the first 10 multiples of each of the following pairs of numbers. Then list the common multiples. This is homework for you. Okay. We have to write common multiples. Okay. 4 5. A question. Look here. 4 5. First we will write multiples of 4. Next, multiples of 5. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Next, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Okay, now we'll find common multiples, common multiples of 4 and 5. Okay, 20 and 40, or 20 and 40. Okay, like this you have to do this remaining all as homework. Okay, and this third bit already I have given homework for you. I think it is completed. Next fourth bit also completed, and fifth bit also completed. I have given homework for you in previous class. This. Okay, now look at sixth bit, applying multiples and factors. Story sums, multiples and factors. Look at A question. Class 4th A has 32 students. The teacher wants to divide the class into groups of 3 each. Three students each she want to divide. Can she make groups with the same number of students in each group? So here this teacher want to divide the students, 3 students in one group. Okay, how many groups she can make? Like that we have to do, means we have to divide this. In 3 table we'll get 32. No, 3 tens are 30. So here 2 will be remainder. 2 will be remainder. So 2 students will be left over. So she cannot make. Okay, no is the answer. Do this in textbook only, or else you can do in Fairness. Okay. Can I make 7 packets of equal number of sweets from 149 sweets? Okay. Can I make 7 packets of equal number of sweets from 149 sweets? Okay. Look here. Number of packets. 7. Okay. Number of sweets, 149. Okay, is it possible or not? Means you have to do division. 7 2s are 14 and 9 will be written here. 7 1s are 7. 2 will be left over. 2 sweets will be left over. So no, you can't make it. Okay, now look at C question. If I have 8 bunches of bananas with 12 bananas in each bunch, how many bananas do I have? Okay, first we will write number of bunches of bananas. Bunches of bananas. Total 8 bunches are there. Number of bananas in each bunch. In each bunch there are 12 bananas. So total number of bananas. To find total number of bananas, simply how to multiply these two. 12 into 8. Okay, 12 8s are 96. Okay, 96 is the answer. Now this is C answer. Now look at D question. Ganesh is an athlete. Starting from 1st January, he practiced high jump every 3rd day, a long jump every 5th day. Okay, first we will write the answer. Number of days in January. How many days are there? Is 31 days. Okay, Ganesh is an athlete. Starting from 1st January, he practiced high jump every 3rd day and long jump every 5th day. On which dates in January did he practice both long jump and high jump? Okay, first we will write he practiced. What is practiced? High jump and long jump. High jump on 3rd day, every 3rd day. Okay, next long jump on every 5th day. Okay, simply we have to find the multiples of 3 and 5. Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Okay, next the multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, now we'll find common multiples of 3 and 5. 15, 30 are the common multiples. So 15 and 30 are the common multiples. So therefore, on which dates in January did he practice both? On 15th January and 30th January he practiced both high jump and long jump. Okay, this is D answer. Okay, now look at E question. Manish and Parul are in a hurry to reach their class. There are 24 steps in the staircase leading to their class. Manish climbs 3 steps at a time. Parul climbs them 2 steps at a time. Okay, total 24 steps are there and Manish climbs 3 steps at a time and Parul climbs 2 steps at a time. Which steps do they both land on? Okay, first we'll write number of steps climbed by Manish at a time. Okay, how many steps? 3 steps. 3. Next, number of steps climbed by Parul at a time. He took 2 steps. Okay, at a time he took climbed 2 steps. Okay, now we have to find which steps do they both land on. First we will write Manish lands on steps. Manish lands on steps 3, no? So we'll write 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Okay, there are 24 steps only are there. So we'll write up to 24. Next, Parul lands on steps. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 20, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24. Okay, now see which are common. 6, 12, 18, 24. So which steps do they both land on? They both land on 6 steps. They both land on steps 6, 12, 18, 24. Okay, these steps they both land on at a time. Okay, this is E answer. Okay, up to here completed. Complete in your fairness and write these mental maths problems also in your fairness. Okay, look here some questions are given. Look at A question. A number that is a factor of every number is a number that is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor for every number. So the answer is 1. Okay. Is there a number that is multiple of every number? No. There is no multiple of every number. Okay. Same multiple. The smallest multiple of 9 is 9. Multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, like that. Okay. 9 is the smallest multiple. The smallest factor of 9 is, factors of 9 are 1 table, 1 9s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So, smallest factor is 1. For every number, smallest factor will be 1. Okay. The two factors of 13 are, there are two factors of 13 that are, one table will get 13 and 13 ones are 13. Okay. Next, sixth question. The first three multiples of 7 are, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. Okay, these are the first three multiples of 7. Next, seventh question. 25 is the smallest multiple of, 25 is the smallest multiple of 25 only. Okay. Next, 25 is the greatest factor of, 25 is the greatest factor of itself. A number is a greatest factor of itself. Okay. Now ninth one. The smallest common multiple of 5 and 7 is, 5 and 7. The common multiple of 5 and 7 is 5 sevens are 35. 35 is a common multiple. Okay. Is 35 a common multiple of 3 and 5? No. Why? Because we will not get 35 in 3 table. Look, 3 plus 5 is 8. In 3 table we will not get 8. So this is 35 is not divisible by 3. So it is not common multiple of 3 and 5. Can 2 be a factor of an odd number? No. Okay. Why? Because can 2 be a factor? 2 be a factor of even numbers only. It will be not the factor of odd number. Okay. Next, is 5,67,895 is divisible by 5? Yes, what is divisibility rule of 5? You should check ones place. If it is having 5, then it is divisible by 5. If it is not having 5 or any number, it is having any number, then it is not divisible by 5. Okay. Write these in your fairness. Now look at the odds. Which number has only one factor? 1 has only one factor. Okay. Find a number that is divisible by 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3, 5. Multiply these 3, then you will get the number which is divisible by these 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are, yes, 30. 30 is the answer. Next, find a number that is divisible by 4, 5, 6. 4 5s are 20, 26 are 120 is the answer. Okay. Can you make a factor tree for 23? No, we cannot make factor tree. Why? Because it has only 1 and itself as a factors. Okay. Write these all up to here in your fair notes. Complete your notes up to here. Okay. Write these sixth bit and the mental maths problems and odds. Okay. Here, do this second bit as homework, today's homework. Okay. Thank you.